Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Tokyo gained as the yen eased against the dollar on Thursday, but shares in Shanghai is down slightly after a manufacturing survey by HSBC pointed to continued weakness. The Nikkei 225 rose 0.38%, while the Shanghai Composite dipped 0.11%. The ASX 200 was down 0.10% on a disappointing business confidence and condition surveys and the HSBC views on China. In China, the HSBC flash manufacturing PMI fell to 49.2 in April, from March's final of 49.6, shrinking for the third month in a row. At the close in New York, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.49%, while the S&P 500 index added 0.51%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index gained 0.42%. U.S. crude oil ended lower on Wednesday after the weekly oil inventory report from the Energy Information Administration showed stockpiles to have increased much more than expected last week. Crude oil futures for June delivery, the most actively traded contract, dropped $0.45 or 0.8% to settle at $56.16 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is lower against the US dollar but has managed to hold on the $0.77 level. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7755, down from Wednesday's close of $0.7778. The US dollar is trading in the upper 119 yen range on Thursday, up from the mid 119 yen range at the close on Wednesday. An early look on the macro profile for the start of the second quarter is the main event today for Europe and the US via flash estimates of Purchasing Managers Indexes PMI for April. Germany manufacturing PMI 730 GMT. Europe's biggest economy is growing at a healthy pace, although industrial activity has been soft lately. Market's Purchasing Manager Index for the sector rose to an 11-month high in March. Companies expanded their workforces as new order and output accelerated, market advised. Today's initial estimate of the manufacturing PMI is expected to support the ease for the optimism. Econoday.com's consensus forecast sees the index taking higher to 53.0 for April from 52.8 in March. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.